Do you suffer from anxiety, anger, irritability, restlessness? Do you feel overwhelmed, unmotivated, unfocused? Does racing thoughts or constant worry bother you? Do you have trouble sleeping? Address the common symptoms of stress with the Homeomart Stress Kit. Contains 6 specific homeopathic stress-busting remedies. Bryonia Alba for stress. As per clinical report in ResearchGate, Bryonia is an adaptogenic and restorative drug with immunomodulatory, stress-protective and tonic properties. Bryonia is excellent for treating migraine and tension-type headache that is triggered by stress. Aconite Nap. In homeopathy, aconite is used to treat fear, anxiety, and restlessness. Anguish of mind and body, physical and mental restlessness, fright, is the most characteristic manifestation of doctors prescribing aconite. Carbo Veg for stress-related digestive disorders. Indigestion, heartburn, constipation, diarrhea or nausea are generally recognized as the most common physical symptoms of stress and anxiety. Carbo Veg calms the digestive system from stress and anxiety-related disorders. Ignatia Amara for emotional disturbances due to stressful events. People of all ages will benefit from Ignatia when they are grieving, in shock or disappointment. It contains strychnine, which has a favorable influence on the central nervous system. It is good for situational anxiety, sleeplessness due to grief, worry, shock or emotional upset. Coffee Cruda for sleeplessness due to stress. Coffee Cruda unwinds the mind instead of revving it up. It is often used to combat sleeplessness and racing thoughts. It relieves sleep loss with worries, overactive thoughts, and hypersensitivity to pain. Bio combination salts number 16. BC16 combines the goodness of Schussler cell salts of ferrum phos 3x, kali sulf 3x, mag phos 3x, natrum sulf 3x for treating nervous exhaustion due to stress and anxiety. This handy stress kit contains 30C potency medicated pills of Carbo Veg, Coffee Cruda, Ignatia, Bryonia and Aconite in 2-dram sterile glass containers. Medicated from German dilutions. Globules made from pure cane sugar. Biochemic salt BC16 offered in tablets form. Buy online on homeomart.com.